Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and those who already know me, hi guys, welcome back. My name is Selena, if you guys don't know, and I make physiotherapy and lifestyle content here on my YouTube channel. And this video, oh my god, is the most requested one. Like, most of my Instagram DMs are about this. What's your salary, ma'am? How are you surviving, Didi, here? How much money should we earn in London to survive? So I thought, okay, fine, let me make this video. And there were like so many people who actually wanted to know my salary as well. Guys, I cannot tell you my salary. I can tell you more or less the approx thing, but not too much. I cannot tell you like the exact numbers I'm earning here, but yes, I'll explain everything in this video. But before that, I want to say it's burning here. I am literally sweating here. I just got ready because of this video. I would have literally now I know the reason why people literally cry in the winters here. The humidity level is so high and we don't have fans here, so yeah, it's another trouble. But yeah, forgetting about all of that, let's get straight into this video. So if you have not seen the short that I posted last week about how is my spending here, you should first go and check that out. That will give you a rough understanding of how things work around here, or how I personally make them work around here. It's very difficult. I'm not saying it's very easy. I work as a band 4 therapy assistant right now, which is not a qualified role, even though I have HCPC license, but that's the only job I got, and I needed that to survive here and to shift to London, because I don't think without having a proper job or without having a study visa you should be coming here. It's such an expensive city. And second thing is, without connections it becomes like the expenses just double up for some reason. I don't know why. So yeah, so I will give you an approximation of my salary, but I will not tell you the exact numbers. So my approx salary is £1,800, which may seem like, oh my god, she's earning 1,80,000, but it's nothing here. It's same like 18,000 rupees here. So the day I get my salary, I just take out half of the money from it and just put them in certain pots so that I just don't touch them. For example, my rent, which is £590 here for this dabbe wala room. Don't like this room, but that's how I have to survive. I am thinking to change it once I find a good friend, which seems impossible. That's another problem. Second thing is my bus pass. So bus pass for TfL, that is Transport of London, is £94.50, which is almost £100. You can take as many buses in a day as you like. I don't use tubes that often. I use it like once or twice in a month, so I just like tap and go with it. I keep certain amount of extra money in my Oyster cards for the tube, £10 or £15, not more than that. So yeah, that's another thing, the bus pass, which is fixed. Then comes my mobile bill. My mobile bill is £5.25. Again, because I'm paying less, I'm not getting enough data. I am not getting international calls as well, so the only way I can contact in India is through WhatsApp calls only, because I was with Libara and they used to charge me £25 for unlimited data, unlimited calls, and 120 minutes of international calls. But when I came here, I just couldn't afford it, so I have to switch my service provider. Now I am with Smarty, which is, of course, again, it's cheap, but I'm not getting the whole pack of services here. But it's fine since I have Wi-Fi in hospital and here as well, so it's just everything just balances out. The next thing is my groceries. So I try to put all of my groceries and stay under £100. It never happens. I don't know why, especially when I'm working on weekends. Those weeks I am so tired. I don't know, it's just like a placebo effect or something. I'm just so tired, so I have to buy like the pre-made shana packages of dal makhani or dals, and that really costs a lot. So if I say roughly, it goes to £150 just for my groceries. I know, it's just too much. Then miscellaneous things, I don't know why I have the high amount for the miscellaneous things, and I try to keep it again under 100 pounds, but I think it goes over 100 pounds. I'm not sure, but my rough is always 100 pounds. So the miscellaneous things include clothes. I hardly buy any clothes, but you know, some things for the room, my skincare. I think my skincare is the most costly stuff that I buy. I buy my skincare every 2 months and it costs like 50-60 pounds. It's absurd, but that's, I cannot do anything. It just works for my skin. There is only one product that really works for my skin, and that's Isentry, and it's just stuff. So my miscellaneous stuff goes to again 100 pounds. I try to save as well. I try to save more each and every month, but for approximation I only save like 200 or 300 pounds every month. That's like the minimum amount I try to save. I am trying to save for the driving license classes, which is so expensive here. For 1 hour they charge you 40 pounds. So expensive. So I am saving now for side by side, but more or less I save like 200 to 300 pounds a month. And if anything extra comes up which I'd never want, I use credit cards for that, so that I can see how much I am spending. Because thing is that when you spend from your debit card, I do write all the things that I have spent in a month. It just becomes too muddled up. So I use Amex for that. That is American Express, and it gives me like a summary of everything. So it depends. Some days I spend only 100 on that, some days 200. This month it was 200.15 pence. So yeah, it keeps changing, but every month in total I spend, if I just see my spending and remove my savings from it, my spendings comes out to be 1,300 pound. I know, it's so much. I remember when I was in Edinburgh, it used to be like, my spendings were used to be like 600, 800 max. Like I used to freak out when it goes like 800, and here I spend every month like 1,300. 1,300 has become minimum. Past 6 months, I think it has only been 1 month when I spent like 1,200 pounds. Apart from that, it's always 1,300 pounds. I try my best to not spend more, but it becomes 1,300 somehow. So yeah, it's annoying, but it is the truth. So if my approx salary is 1,800, I spend 1,300 pounds on everything, unfortunately. And you may say, oh, you are saving that much amount, the rest of it, but this, I'm giving you 1,300 as an approximation. There are loads of things that I don't even recall when I'm doing it. Like if I bought a birthday gift, I don't really include those amounts in my spending summary because I just don't feel it very nice. But yeah, 1,300 is like basic every month I spend. If birthday comes, or if my team decides to go on some random club or to play something outside, then I don't know what's gonna happen then. But yes, that's my summary. So I spend like 1,300 pounds almost every month. Not very proud of it, but you can't really do anything. I try to control my spendings as much as possible. So if you ask me, is it possible to stay with this kind of salary? It is possible if you are extremely frugal like me, like you just only focus on like basic survival things. If you want to enjoy your life, then I would like to say no, the salary won't be enough for you. I have seen some band 5 physiotherapists, they're living with their parents and they're still not happy with it, so they earn slight bit more from me. I don't know exactly. When I go on band 5, I'll probably explain it to you more efficiently in that manner. But yeah, it really depends on how you are as a person, how social you are. I am not social at all. I mean, I want to be social, but I don't have friends, so I save that big chunk of money. And I don't know, like seriously, if I was social, then probably I was not even saving that much amount, because yeah, when you go out you spend. That's the truth. That's the truth. So yeah, if you are very frugal, you don't have anyone with you and you're all alone in the city, don't know anyone, don't go out, then definitely you can save a lot more money. If you know people, then no, you won't be able to save that much. So it all depends on how you would like to survive here. If you want to enjoy your life to the fullest, then this salary is nothing for you and you probably have to work part-time. But if you're like me, you'll survive. You'll survive. I will not say you will survive with a peace of mind, but you will survive eventually till you find a good job. So yeah, if you have any further questions, you can of course comment down below. I'll try to answer them as quickly as possible. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It gives me a lot of help and you also get information. Please like this video as well, and I will see you next week. Till then, bye bye and take care.